Alright, looking at my Chinese Lexinmoto motorcycle light kit just got. It's got six LED RGB LEDs, and it's pulling about 10 milliamps while it's off. So it comes with this 4-button remote. Turn the lights on. So I'll be looking at the current meter while I'm changing different light colors. So with white on, it's looking at about 380 milliamps. Intense white is just over 400 milliamps. 220 for blue. 450 for bright white. Red's about 210. Blue at 220. Violet at 400. Green at 140. Yellow at 320. 330 for blue. 240 for yellow. Violet 300. And so on. So 15 colors. It's got controls here for flashing and fading. So that's about it.